welcome back to your local news station. Today we're going to be discussing ENSO. ENSO stands for El Nino or Southern Oscillation. What this is a short-term period of warm ocean surface temperatures in the tropical Pacific. What causes this is sea surface temperature and the atmospheric pressure. It creates extremes in weather. The overall effect of this is massive floods to suffocating droughts. El Nino has more intense impacts in a warmer climate, especially for land regions in North America and Australia. During the neutral phase, trade winds move across the ocean from east to west. As a result, the western Pacific waters are warmed. Therefore, water temperatures to the east become colder because trade winds help pull water up from deeper water to the surface. This then affects weather patterns like rainfall, flooding, cyclones, temperature, and droughts, and they are normally affected in extreme ways.
We experience ENSO during autumn and it strengthens over the winter and spring. ENSO typically develops during March and June, hits its peak in December and April, and weakens during May to July. We've experienced ENSO in the past, but there is no way that we can predict when it will happen. In previous ENSOs, it has been recorded that it can last from 2 to 5 years.
Focusing specifically on North America, the average annual rainfall is 32.21 inches. The climate in North America varies from subtropical climates to polar climates. On top, there is polar cap tundra and polar ice cap, and at the bottom, there are more tropical climates like grasslands and semi-arid. During ENSO, the climate that changes in North America can become
warmer
and wetter, but after ENSO it usually goes back to its normal climate. Changes in weather during ENSO are the rainfall patterns, where the rainfall tends to be heavier in the south, and in the north it will become drier and mild, and then after ENSO the weather also will return to its normal weather.
ENSO has many effects on North America's culture. Some of these include effects on people who go to the beach, like surfers, because of the warmer waters, and people who go to ski areas. ENSO also affects North America's agriculture. It creates a reduction of crops like corn, soybeans, and tobacco in the following summer, and due to flooding, can kill off certain crops. ENSO also affects North America's economy. For example, it creates a decline in fisheries and changes in water prices. And be prepared by paying attention to predictions and alerts for unusual weather. They can also be prepared by working to slow down climate change, because in recent years climate change has created more extreme ENSOs. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.